welcome back to the channel. So I have great news for those that have been doing Restream or are planning to do Restream, because after you watch this video, there'll be no more issues on YouTube that has to do with copyrights from the videos you got from Instagram. So you know that when you want to do this Restream, you need to get like catchy videos to use to do it. And some persons opt for options from Instagram and use these videos, and sometimes at the end of the day, they get a copyright strike or a copyright claim on this content. But in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very safe way you can rise above copyright problems and issues. Like, they are totally solved. You will not be having any issues on your videos or your Restreams that you have a copyright claim, you have a copyright strike or whatever. Like, copyright issues are totally solved, and I'll be explaining and taking you step by step on how you can do this simple trick to get you over copyright issues. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and let us just get right into this video. So first things first, by now you already have the video you want to use to go live on your Restream. Okay, so what we're going to do now is going to head over to Google Chrome. On Google Chrome, you're going to type YouTube dashboard. I'm actually using my mobile phone. I only put it on the desktop site. Okay, so when you get here, just click on your YouTube dashboard. Now, this is my YouTube Studio desktop site. Okay, this is where you upload videos from. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create, click on upload videos. Okay, so you're going to select the file. This is the already edited or the video you want to use for your Restream, to run your Restream. You can as well do this to check if you're editing your own video, in case you get like music from like places or a video clip from like sources you know might give you issues, and you want to be sure, you want to confirm. Okay, you can actually use this method as well. So I'm just going to, I got a random video from Instagram. I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, now this is the video I used. You're going to let it process. If you scroll to the end, at the bottom of this page, you're going to see checking. So YouTube is going to check the authenticity of your video that you're uploading to YouTube. Mind you, you're not uploading this video to YouTube. You are only trying to check to see if that video is copyright free, if it has any issue with the music, with the video itself. See what is showing at the bottom: checks complete, copyright protected content found. That means this video has issues. Okay, I purposely use this video just to show you what I'm talking about. So if you click on these checks, okay, you're going to see what is written here. So as you can see, it has this check: we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix the issues. So when you get to this part, okay, you're going to see this place that says see details. Now you're going to see that this issues, okay, is with the music on this video. Now, as you can see, what happened, the copyright claim on your video don't affect your channel. So what I'm trying to say in essence is, whenever you see these checks complete, copyright protected content found, please do not use that video. Whenever they tell you that there is a copyright protected content found, do not use it. Okay, but once you see checks complete, there is no issues with your video, then you're free to delete it. Okay, you're going to delete it from this section and use that video on your Restream, and you're very free to go. Now I'm going to show you another example. I'm going to upload a video like my own original content and show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see at the bottom of this, okay, you can see checks complete, no issues found. So this is how you're going to know a video that is going to give you issues or not on Restream. If you're using a video to run this Restream, okay, make sure you run it here. Try to upload it to YouTube and see the checks. If the checks is complete and there is no issue found, then you can proceed with that video to run the Restream. But if you see anything like copyright issue found, please do not use that video. So this way you're safe from copyright issues. You're not going to go live. Now, whatever you do here has nothing to do with your channel. It's not going to affect you. It's just trying to protect you in advance to know the video that will be nice for you to use for your channel or not. So once you run this video here and see it says in the check section that checks complete, no issues found, please, you can use that video to run your Restream. Okay, but if there is a copyright issue, it's going to tell you copyright issue protected or copyright issue found. Please don't use such a video. So this is another way for you to be safe on Restream, so you don't have any copyright issues, copyright strike. even with the video, whether it's with the song, with the video, or whatever is the content on that video you want to use to go live. Even if you want to post it on your YouTube channel as a long video, okay? Because there are some persons that get videos, all these trending videos from Instagram and other social media platform to combine to form a video, okay? You can as well use this method to check if that video is going to have any copyright issue or any copyright claim. Once you see it here, then note that it either has a copyright issue or not. So if you see that there's a copyright issue found, please do not use it. And if you see that it says that no copyright issues found, you are free to use that video to run your Restream and all of that. I hope you found value in today's video. Please, if you do like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. And I hope to see you again on the video on your screen. Click on the video and I'll see you right there. Bye.